Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about stability of carbocation. It is one of the applications of inductive effect. Simply one thing we have to remember before we getting into the applications over here. All plus I groups which are there, which we have discussed in the previous video, all plus I groups increases the stability of carbocations and all minus I groups decreases the stability of carbocation over here. Okay. Now for example, we have four groups here right now. Now if you see, this is methyl 1, this is a primary, secondary and tertiary. All alkyl groups are generally plus I groups over there. What happens is that they are plus I groups over there. They'll release the electrons towards the particular carbon over here, carbocation over here. What happens is that if they are releasing electron, in the sense the charge of electron is negative and the charge of this particular carbon is positive, that's what we are calling it as carbocation over there. Since the electron movement takes place towards the carbocation, because of the movement of the electrons over there, the magnitude of the charge on the carbon decreases, because of which stability increases. As number of plus I groups increases from methyl to primary, secondary and tertiary, the stability of carbocation is something like this. Tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than primary, and then methyl carbocation over here. Now if you take this second example, it is also similar to the earlier only, but we have mentioned here the methyl group. Okay, methyl group is also what we call the plus I group only. It is also releases electron towards the carbocation. As electron movement takes place towards the carbocation, the magnitude of charge decreases and stability increases. That is why the stability art is something like this, as we have already mentioned. Now if you take this particular example over here, we have CH3 and CD3. The carbocation is directly attached with the hydrogen as well as deuterium over here. We have already mentioned in the plus I group order over there, D has more tendency to donate the electron when compared with the hydrogen over there. That's why CD3 like what we call deuterium methyl carbocation is greater than that of normal methyl carbocation over here. Now if you take another example, okay, according to the above example, we may assume that the stability art is going to be something like this, but it is absolutely wrong. What happens is that the carbon next to this particular functional group or carbocation or carbanion is known as alpha carbon over here. Now we have alpha hydrogens over here. Because of alpha hydrogen, here hyperconjugation takes place. Okay, if we consider the dominating effects over there, we have mesomeric effect is greater than hyperconjugation is greater than inductive effect. Here we can see hyperconjugation over here. Hyperconjugation predominates inductive effect. That is why the stability art is going to be something like this. And next, now let us see these three over here. Now the first one is the primary one, secondary one and the tertiary one. As we have already mentioned in the case of carbocations, tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than primary. That's what the stability order of carbocation is going to be 3, 2, 1. And let us see these four examples right now. Now we have carbocation, and the only difference from all the examples is one CD3 group is increasing from one example to another example. Here everywhere CD3s are there. Okay, in the case, like if you consider the earlier example which we have discussed with the hyperconjugation, okay, we may think that as from 1 to 4, right, number of CD3 groups are increasing, the stability order is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, because in the case of first one we can see the alpha hydrogens, but it is not something like that. Here the alpha carbon is this particular one, alpha carbon. There is no alpha hydrogens over there which is directly attached with the alpha carbons over there. That's what we should only consider the inductive effect. Since D has more tendency to donate the electrons than that of hydrogen, as number of CD3 groups are more, that is going to be the most stable one. That's what the stability order is going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. And then let us see these two right now. What is happening with these two in the sense? Now wait, these three right now. Yeah, these three. What is happening with these three right now is, this is sp3 hybridized carbon, this is sp2 hybridized carbon, this is sp hybridized carbon. As sp3 to sp, right, s character is increasing over here. This is 25% s character, 33.3% s character, this is 50% s character. As s character increases, electronegativity of the particular group increases. Since like electronegativity increasing over here, what happens is that the carbon slowly turns into minus A group. Minus A group generally decreases the stability of carbocation. That's why the stable order is going to be 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3 over here. Next, and let us see this particular example over here. We have 5 examples over here. In the case of first one, we have only methyl group, and in the case of second, third, fourth and fifth one, we have one common minus A groups over here. When we see such examples, right, we should know that the order of minus A group over there. We have already discussed that minus A groups are generally going to be decreases the stability of carbocation, right? Here, like we have no minus A groups in the case of first one. That's what it is the most stable one. And more most minus A group is going to be NO2 group over there. That's what it is going to be the least stable one. Okay, that's what the stability order is going to be. 1 is greater than 5, is greater than 4, is greater than 3 and 2. This is the stability order of carbocation. Now let us see some other examples over here. Now we have everywhere primary carbocations over here, primary carbocation, primary carbocation, primary and primary. But the only difference is that in the case of first one, there is no minus A groups. Let us see the first one is the most stable one because there is no minus A groups over there, which decreases the stability of carbocation. And in the case of second one and third one and fourth one, we have one minus A group, that is fluorine over here. Now, what is the difference between second one, third one and the fourth one? The distance from the carbocation to that particular carbon which is substituted with the fluorine. Okay, as we go down from 2 to 3 and 4, the distance from the carbocation to the particular carbon which is with the fluorine is increasing. Okay, we have already mentioned, okay, it's a distance dependent effect. As distance increases from the particular electronegative group, the effect of that particular group on the carbocation is going to be decreases, right? That is why the stability order is going to be 1 is greater than, 4 is greater than, 3 is greater than 2. Now let us see some other examples over here. Now the same thing which we have discussed earlier, okay. In the case of first one, there is no minus A groups and remaining all fluorine, chlorine and bromines are minus A groups over here. Means the first one is going to be the most stable one. And remaining the second, third and fourth one, we have minus A groups in common, okay. In the case of minus A groups, right, we should know the minus A order, right? Fluorine is greater than, chlorine is greater than, bromine over there. That's what the least minus A group will be more stable comparatively over here. That's what 1 is greater than, 4 is greater than, 3 is greater than 2. And then, now, if we see the phenyl cation generally, okay, phenyl cation, okay, we should only remember there is no mesomeric effect over there. There is only inductive effect over here. Okay, inductive effect, we know that it's a distance dependent effect. Fluorine is the minus A groups, generally decreases the stability of carbocation. That's why the order is going to be 1, 4, 3, 2. And then in the next example, we can see that methyl group over here. Methyl group generally plus A groups increases the stability of carbocation. It's a distance dependent effect. That's what the plus A group which is nearer to the carbocation is going to be the most stable one. That's what second one is the most nearer one. Then the third, fourth and the first one. That's what 2 is greater than 3, 4 and 1. And next, if you see this particular example over here, we have it's a bicyclic compound. We have carbocation at bridged position. We have carbocation at the adjacent positions over here. Now if it is these two, right, according to Brett's rule, okay, Brett's rule, carbocation or sp2 hybridized carbon at the bridged position is likely to be unstable. It might be carbocation, it might be double bond or anything. It is unstable because it is non-planar. Generally sp2 hybridized carbons are generally planar, but in the case of bicyclic compounds, right, at bridged position, if it is sp2, it is going to be non-planar and it is going to be highly unstable. That's what this is. The second one is most stable. Okay, this particular carbocation is known as non-classical carbocation. This is stabilized by the adjacent CC single sigma bond. Okay, that's a different thing, but this is the stability order over here. Now if you take these 4 over here, okay, I can tell you that the stability order is going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. The reason behind this one is, in the case of first and second one is like it is highly they are highly unstable because bond angle deviation. And in another way also we can understand, as number of CH2 groups increases, generally like CH2 groups are like hydrocarbon groups are generally plus A groups. As number of CH2 group increases, that like movement of electrons towards the carbocation increases. the magnitude of positive charge decreases. That's what we can also get this order by that way. And yeah, this is a special case over here. What happens with the cyclopropyl methyl carbocation over here is that these carbocations are more stable because of more bond angle deviation. Cyclopropane ring has banana bent orbital. These banana bent orbitals overlap with carbocation 2p orbitals over here. Because of this overlapping, okay, stability of carbocation increases over here. As more number of cyclopropyl rings are there, more stable because of more overlapping of orbitals over here. That's what the stability order is going to be. 3 is greater than 2 is greater than 1. That is for this is the order of stability of carbocation. Thank you for watching.